Medopad is all about building an ecosystem, a mobile health ecosystem that connects doctors with patients and doctors with patient information. And with that, we want basically to use easy and simple to use applications on mobile devices such as your phone or an iPad in order to increase efficiency in healthcare, reduce errors, and sort of help better outcomes. And then the future is all about learning from the data we create through these apps and through the connections between the doctors, patients, and hospitals, pharma, and insurance industry. Learn from them and make the apps even more seamless, more simple to increase their efficiency even further and help provide better care outcomes. As far as entrepreneurship and challenges in healthcare goes, actually, the first challenge we had is to convince people that the iPad that had just been invented is not a toy for kids. It's something that really can help you digitalize paper in the hospital and serve it to the doctors on a nice device they can carry in the pocket. And the first problem we wanted to solve there is access to patient information at point of care, something a lot of people are working on, and it makes so much sense. That means when a doctor sees a patient, he has everything he needs on an iPad, on an iPhone, or any tablet device, and can make far better decision, reduces errors because he knows more, and so on and so on. But then challenges in other areas where, for example, on the security side, people felt, how can a small company like us, Medopad, want to solve the holy grail of healthcare, you know, revolutionizing healthcare, transforming paper to digital data, and so on and so on. But then again, rolling forward 5 years, Medopad also received its CE approval as a medical device, is registered with the FDA, and some of our apps are also HIPAA compliant. So this is also something that we did master in order to be able to work with our hospital clients around the world. Then today, challenges are more in convincing, for example, the investment community that this is, mobile health is the future of healthcare. It's not an alternative, it's not a luxury, it is what it will be. And for them to see that and invest in a number of companies to allow us to grow, to hire mainly more people, to grow our teams in order to be able to innovate and reach out more, that is one of the bigger challenges we have in Europe currently. Events such as HealthTech Summit help entrepreneurs by bringing entrepreneurs together. So the networking aspect is important, but often you learn also, and maybe you work on things together. It's also a good occasion to see a lot of, let's say, investors, which you would have to meet individually, and that might take weeks, if not months. You see them in one place in one go, and you can have conversations, and they can see which companies they like most, and then with a select group of people you continue your conversation outside of the event. But I think the events also highlight how healthcare technology is getting on and how it's becoming more and more popular. 5 years ago you hardly ever heard anything health tech. Today every publication has an iPad on the cover, and events such as this, specifically here in Lausanne, the HealthTech Summit is sort of unique in the sense that it also brings investors, not only tech companies or pharma and tech, but it brings the investment community, the tech company, the entrepreneurs, everybody together in a lovely place like Switzerland. And hopefully, and I am very confident, a lot of good things will come out of the conference for everybody.